Hello students, today we are going to learn about the basic widgets of your Flutter, which comes under your practical number 2. Now without wasting time, let's get started. First, we'll create one new project here, new Flutter project. You have to select your Flutter SDK, then we'll click on the next. You can provide any name to your project and then you have to just click on the create. As you know that we are going to create the basic widgets under the Flutter, so I will remove this code and then we'll add our void main. As you know, the void main function is the entry point of your program, so we are going to use the void main. And currently we are going to run our application. In the previous practical or in the previous video we had seen how to create the console application. So currently we are going to create one full-fledged application, so I will use my material app here. Now the unwanted import statements are there, so I will remove them and then we'll start. So under the material app I will create the home, and my home is scaffold. Scaffold is the area where we can place our widgets. Now you can provide the body of the scaffold here, so I will write the body and body will be the in the center, so I will write the center here. Similarly you have to add the child inside your body part, so I will add one child here, and my child is container because the first widget we are going to learn is your container. So for the container you have to provide the width, so I will provide the width of 200 and similarly the height of 200. You can provide the color to your container as well, so I am providing the color. So you have various colors here, so colors dot blue, purple, amber, deep purple, whatever you want, so I will use here any color. And then you can provide one text also, so you will add one text also. So whatever is your text, so I will just print hello world here. Now let's see the output. Here you are getting some warning, so you can add the constant keyword here. I will run this one. As you can see, no device is found, so I will select my Chrome browser as my device. So I will select here the Chrome browser as my running device and I will run my program. So you just have to put one semicolon here to run your application. I will stop it and I will run it again. Sorry. So after running your program, you will get the output on the Chrome browser. As you can see, under the Chrome browser you will get one container here, and the container color is also set it and your message is also there. Now let's see your next control, that is the elevated button. Let's see how to create the button inside your Flutter. So I will remove this container or the child and then I will use the elevated button. What is elevated button? You will get some animation kind of thing. So now I will create one on press function under my elevated button, that is on press. You can provide anything under the on press, that is the print or anything else, whatever you want. And then you can set the text on your button, so I will set one text on my button. So my text is click me, so I will write click me. So as you can see, I will run this application. Let's see the output now. So after running my application, as you can see, we are getting one button. If you want to add some functionality, if you want to print something, so I will print one message on my console, whatever message you want. I want my name after clicking on the button, so I will write the name, and then it is a print statement, so I will put the semicolon here as well. And then we'll run our hot reload, that is hot reload directly run your application, and then I will run it. So after pressing your button, you will get the output here. So I am pressing my button here. After pressing, you will get the output on the console. As you can see on the console, you are getting the output. So I will click it again. Okay, so after clicking, you are getting the output on the console window. Now the next part or the next one is your Flutter logo. Suppose if you want to print the Flutter logo here, sorry. So I will remove this child and then I will add my Flutter logo here. So Flutter logo is there. So if you want to print the Flutter logo, so you have to provide the size. So I will provide the size of the 100 and then the style of your Flutter logo. So style is Flutter logo style dot stat. You can provide the other styles as well. You want the text colors, so I will add the text color. So colors dot whatever color you want. So currently I want the white color or the black, whatever you want, the deep purple or the amber. Now you can add the color as well. After you are getting one suggestion to add the constant, so I will add the constant part and I will hot reload my application. Let's see the output. So as you can see, you are getting the Flutter logo with the amber accent color. Similarly, you can add your favorite icon as well. If you want to add the favorite icons, you can. So let's see, add some icons here. So under my child, under the center, I will add one icon, and then icon के अंदर I will write icons, icons dot your icon name. So I am adding the favorite icon here. The icon name is favorite, and then you can provide the color to your icon. So I am providing colors dot whatever color you want, and then size of your icon. So I will provide one size as well. I will hot reload. As you can see, you can look at, you can show your icon will be visible here as well and the color as well. So I will hot reload again. That's the output. As you can see here, we are getting the icon. Okay, now let's run the next widget. So I will add child here, and under the child, then I will add row, and then under my row I can provide the axis. So I will providing the axis to the center because I want my row in the center only. Even here you are getting the center, start and space evenly. I want a equal space between each and every children. So I will add the children here. So under the children you can add the multiple widgets. So I am adding one widget that is text with some message, and then I will add my another widget that is icon. As we had seen, then we can use the icon as well, and then whatever is your icon. So I wanted to add my icon as icons dot favorite, and then you can add one more thing if you want. So I want elevated button, so I am adding elevated button. As you can see under the child, you can add any child, so I am adding child as my text. So under the text you can write anything, so I am writing just button here. So button. Okay, now let's see the output. As you can see here, you are getting one suggestion to add the constant, so I am adding the constant. I will hot reload my application, and then on pressed. Okay, okay, so here on pressed you have to create one function, and function ke andar I will hot reload my application again, and then let's see the output now. And then as you can see that everything is added inside a single row. Now the next part, let's see the next part. You can simply add your text as we had seen. So what if you want the, if you want to change the size of your text. Okay, so I will remove this row part, and then I will add my text here. So child text, let's see what you can perform with the text. So under the text part I will provide first the message. So I am providing my name here, and then the comma, And then similarly the style. So I wanted to add some styles here. That is my textiles. So under the textile I will add the font size. The font size I want the 24. Similarly the font weight, whatever font weight you want, like bold, italic, whatever is your need. So font weight as bold. And then the color of your font, so I want the color. So I will add color dot colors dot whatever color you want. Currently I want blue color, so I will write blue here. And then I will run my application. As you can see, I am getting one suggestion. So add constant modifier, so I will add constant modifier here. I will hot reload my application. Let's say the output now. As you can see, you are getting the output. So that's it for today, everyone. We'll see the next practical in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.